Hey everybody, it's Tin. Welcome back to another video. Now in this video it's going to be real quick, just explaining what dropshipping is. The reason why I'm making this video is because you might be starting out, you don't know what it is. I actually get this question asked a lot on my Facebook page and my Instagram page as well, of people that stumbled upon the Facebook group or onto my accounts. So even my friends and family, they still ask me what is dropshipping. So in today's video I'll be explaining it to you guys. So dropshipping is a fulfillment model that allows you to buy products individually from a supplier or wholesaler and ship it directly to your customer, right? What's so great about this dropshipping model is actually you don't hold any inventory at all. So, you might not understand it yet based on this explanation. So I made a diagram that better explains it and shows you guys from a bird's eye view of what this model looks like. So first is a customer is going to make an order on your site and they will pay you retail. So for example, let's say they paid for an item that cost $150 on your store. So typically this is a Shopify store, and once they place that order, what you're gonna do is actually place the order with your supplier or pay wholesale. And let's say this item is $100, right? So typically you might order this product from AliExpress or any other wholesale supplier that offers dropshipping. And once you place that order, the supplier is going to send that product or that package directly to your customer. So what happens is that they bought the product from you for $150, you paid $100 for the actual order to the supplier, and what you profit with is $50. So that's what it looks like when the dropshipping model is in action. And what's great about this, once again, is that you never have to hold the product into inventory. All you're doing is, you post the product onto your Shopify store, and then when you drive traffic to your store, and once your customers make a purchase on your store, you just forward that order onto the suppliers, and they send it directly to your customer, right? So that's why this is such a great business model if you're trying to get started on making money online. It's not a get rich quick, but it's great if you're starting off with a low budget. Even if you have a higher budget, it's a great business model to start off with because the risk is not high, right? You don't hold any inventory. There's not much upfront money to start off with. And I hope this video better explains it for you guys. It is a commonly asked question out there again. So if you haven't already and you enjoyed the video, make sure you do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell down below as well, because I am doing daily uploads from now on, and I am going to deliver massive value to you guys. You can check out the other videos I have on the channel on marketing your dropshipping store and how to get started as well. A lot of great content. And I am creating a free course for you guys again on the YouTube channel. And not only that, but I'll be launching it in the Facebook group as well. So that's just more of a better reason for you guys to subscribe to the channel. I am delivering to you guys a lot of free value. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Tin Entrepreneur and join the free Facebook group, guys. There's over 60,000 members, entrepreneurs that are interested in dropshipping or currently doing dropshipping. It's a great place to network and learn more about the business model, and just even meet new people that are like-minded, right? So once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.